Why do people get hiccups? Inside your body, right under your lungs, there's a big muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm is super important. It helps you breathe in and out. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves down to let air into your lungs. When you breathe out, it moves up to push the air out. Sometimes the diaphragm gets a little confused or twitches. Instead of moving smoothly, it jumps really fast like a tiny hiccup dance. When this happens, air rushes quickly into your throat, and your voice box, that's where your voice comes from, snaps shut suddenly. That makes the funny hic sound we call a hiccup. Why do hiccups happen? Kids and grown-ups can get hiccups when they eat or drink too fast. So lots of air goes into the tummy. They drink fizzy soda, full of bubbles. They laugh too hard or talk while eating. They feel excited, nervous, or surprised. Emotions can trigger hiccups. How to stop hiccups? Most hiccups go away on their own after a little while. But here are some safe tricks kids can try. Take slow sips of water. This helps calm the diaphragm. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then breathe out gently. Swallow 3 times in a row. It distracts your diaphragm. Breathe slowly into your hands like you're warming them up. This relaxes your body. Some people like silly tricks, like standing on one foot or having someone gently surprise them. But the real idea is just to help your diaphragm calm down. So hiccups are just your breathing muscle getting a little too jumpy, and a few simple tricks can usually help it relax.